Here's another question. I'm planning to buy my first car and na-mention po sa akin ng kaibigan ko about leasing it instead of buying it. Ano po ba ang advantages ng pag-leasing or should I still buy it using my cash? Thank you, Andrew, for that question. In fact, 3 days ago, tinawagan pa lang ako ng isa kong kaibigan about this leasing kasi he knows that I worked for a leasing and finance company before. Baka daw may masuggest ako about leasing. A number of times, nakita ko to sa social media itong tanong na ito. Is it leasing or buying your own car? Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, it's a common dilemma na yung pagpo-purchase ng sasakyan is both a necessity and a major financial decision. Gusto natin na sigurado and tama yung desisyon na gagawin natin para naman hindi masyado apektado yung finances natin. Let's talk about leasing. Leasing is somehow like renting, So, may rental payments, it's lease payments. So, monthly yan usually, and then at the minimum, I think, between 2 years up to 5 years. Since it's rental, definitely the ownership is dun sa company na magpapalis sa inyo. Given that hindi sa'yo yung ownership na yon, and meron siyang term lang. So again, as I mentioned, 2 years to 5 years. And then after the end of the term, you have to return it back to the company. Ang maganda dito is, since hindi ito sa'yo, then after 2 years, 3 years, baka meron kang matipuhan na ibang model ng sasakyan, then you have that option to choose another brand or another model of car without that burden na meron kang ownership nitong sasakyan na to. Kasi syempre, if you own it, maraming expenses din yan. Like yung pag-renew niyan, nag-rehistro yearly, and maintenance expenses and all. Whereas sa leasing, yung expenses nito, yung maintenance, registration, etc., insurance as well, nasa kumpanya yon. Part na yun ng lease payments mo. Naka-factor in na lahat dun sa lease payments mo yung mga kaakibat na expenses in using their car. Sa ownership na part, the leasing company owns the unit, whereas if you buy it, syempre sa yun, you have full control of that. Now, sa lease payments naman, depende kasi sa term mo, so nakakatulong din siya na posibleng mababa lang, so mas affordable din sa inyo. And yung sa down payment din, pwede rin siyang ma-negotiate sa leasing company. And then yung sa maintenance cost, kasi matatanggal yung stress na yun sa'yo kasi it's the responsibility of the leasing company to maintain the vehicle. Now yung questions lang dito is, gusto mo ba na matry din yung mga newer models in the future? Then leasing is for you. Pero if you want full ownership, full control of your unit, then buying it for yourself is the choice to be.